A very good morning everyone, and welcome to a new video on this channel. My name is Fabio, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing the dollar index alongside the major dollar pairs. So stay tuned, let's dive in and see where the major dollar pairs are going to be heading next. Starting off with the dollar index saw a further rise up in towards the highs, pretty much as we're expecting. The daily trend could still continue further upwards. As we can see, daily is still bullish, 4 hour is also still bullish. So we do, of course, expect a further upside continuation to break this high and create a potential new higher high. That is it for now, just waiting for higher prices. Overall, the market has just been consolidating inside this range. So there's not really that much to be said, honestly, on the dollar index structure-wise, as we're just consolidating. So ultimately, we could just move in any direction. However, if we just follow daily and 4 hour structure, we should be moving up higher. So with that said, let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is seeing a dump from that area of daily supply, pretty much as expected. As we can currently see, 4 hour supply is pushing price further down alongside daily supply. So from here, I am expecting lower prices to be met, unless we of course break this strong high. But for now, we are expecting a further sell-off from Aussie dollar. So with that said, let's head to euro dollar. And euro dollar. So euro dollar played out to absolute perfection as anticipated. As we can clearly see, this supply zone held, as I explained in yesterday's and the day before video. So we are seeing further downside, and I am expecting further downside continuation. Let's go to pound dollar. So pound dollar has been selling off this morning. As we can currently see, we are located inside 4 hour demand. However, this 4 hour demand isn't really giving a strong reaction. But this is a very clear example of liquidation, so definitely expecting this low to get liquidated, as is currently happening or just happened. Why is this low getting liquidated? Because we didn't see any liquidation in the move up. That means that early buyers are now becoming liquidity and their stop losses are ultimately getting hit. So we could see a further rise in pound dollar. Just keep in mind that the higher time frame with the daily, is bearish at the moment, and that we are coming from this daily area of supply, so we could see a further sell-off from here. So with that said, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar is reacting perfectly to my area of daily supply. Just missed out on 4 hour supply, but looking at this daily, this is the zone from where I do expect a pullback downwards to occur from. So that's pretty much just what I'm waiting for at this current phase in time. Expecting a pullback looking at the daily, also looking at the 4 hour. Of course, the 4 hour could still move a little bit higher, but if you look at this, this is essentially your range supply from where we could see a further sell-off in towards the downside. So it could already start reverse from here. So let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold is still boring as hell and just consolidating. I'm just personally going to be waiting. 4 hour is looking good though, as we can currently see 4 hour reacted to this big sell before the buy, and from there we have been moving up higher. So if we break this high, we could then potentially see some further upside continuation until we reach kind of these areas of supply over here. But yeah, for the rest, gold is just still very ugly, and I am personally staying out of it. So that said, thank you so much for joining in once again into this video. I wish you all a fantastic day, and if you have any questions, as always, feel free to join the free Discord server, links in the description down below.